Hello, everyone. Welcome to this Trinity B1 English exam practice. In this video, we'll use simple English to help you prepare for the UK visa or citizenship exam. Today, our topic is tips for talking about means of transport. Tips for talking about means of transport. 1. Talk about different means of transport. Major categories: air, road, rail, sea. Vehicles: car, bus, coach, train, underground, tram, taxi, plane, ship, ferry, bicycle. Tip: be able to describe each one simply. Examples: I usually take the train to work because it's fast and comfortable. In Venice, people travel by boat because there are no cars. 2. Describe daily travel. Include how you travel, duration, distance, and frequency. Use usually, sometimes, never. Examples: I normally go to work by bus. It takes about 20 minutes. Sometimes I walk if the weather is nice. Tip: use linking words like because or so for smooth answers. 3. Share recent travel experiences. Use past tense verbs went, flew, drove, rode, caught, missed. Include train, plane, ship, ferry examples. Examples: last summer, I went to Paris by train. It was comfortable and I enjoyed the view. I once went on a ferry to Santorini. It was exciting but windy. I flew to New York last year. The flight took 8 hours and was very comfortable. 4. Compare different transport options. Use comparative adjectives: faster, cheaper, more comfortable, safer. Examples: I prefer trains to buses because they are faster and more comfortable. Although flying is faster, I sometimes prefer traveling by ship because it's relaxing. Tip: always give a reason. 5. Use descriptive vocabulary. Adjectives: fast, slow, cheap, expensive, comfortable, crowded, noisy, clean, safe, dangerous. Examples: the train was fast and clean, but the bus was crowded in the morning. The ferry was large and safe, but a bit noisy from the engine. 6. Talk about transport places and facilities. Vocabulary: station, platform, port, airport, bus stop, car park, ticket machine. Examples: I wait for the bus at the stop opposite my house. At the train station, there is a cafe and ticket machines. People go to the port to catch a ferry or ship. I arrived at the airport 2 hours early to catch my flight. 7. Show you understand public transport systems. Tickets, travel cards, timetables, prices. Ticket, travel card, timetable, price. One-way, return. Examples: a one-way bus ticket costs £2.70 and a return ticket costs £4.20. I have a monthly travel card for the bus, train, underground, and ferry. I check the ferry timetable online before traveling. 8. Express preferences and feelings. Say what you like or dislike with reasons. Examples: I love traveling by train because I can relax and enjoy the view. I don't like buses because they are slow and uncomfortable. I enjoy ferries because I like seeing the sea, but I don't like planes because I'm a bit scared of flying. 9. Ask the examiner questions. Keep it polite and short. One sentence. Examples: do you like traveling by ferry? Have you ever flown abroad recently? Which transport do you prefer? Train or plane? 10. Keep answers short, clear, and natural. 2 to 3 sentences per answer. Smile, speak clearly, and use linking words: because, but, also, so. Examples: I usually take the train to work because it's fast. It takes about 25 minutes. Sometimes I ride a bicycle for short journeys because it's healthy. I prefer flying when I go abroad because it's much quicker than taking a ship. Extra section: driving, cars. 1. Talk about driving, a car. Example questions, answers. Do you drive a car? Yes, I drive a small petrol car. Why do you drive this car? Because it's easy to park and economical. 2. Driving experience. Questions: how long have you been driving? I've been driving for 5 years. Do you enjoy driving? Yes, it gives me freedom to travel wherever I want. 3. Describe journeys by car. Example questions: have you driven far recently? Yes, I drove from London to Birmingham. It took 2 hours. Was the journey easy? Yes, the roads were quiet and there was little traffic. 4. Driving in the UK or other countries. Do you drive in the UK? Yes, I have a UK driving license. Do you prefer city or countryside driving? I prefer the countryside because it's relaxing and less busy. 5. Safety and feelings about driving. Adjectives: safe, dangerous, stressful, relaxing, fast, slow. Questions: do you like driving in traffic? No, it's stressful and slow. Do you feel safe driving at night? Yes, the roads are well lit and I drive carefully. Extra exam success tips. 1. Greet politely. Good morning, hi, hello, good afternoon. 2. Use linking words: because, but, and, also, so, however. 3. Prepare 2 to 3 short stories about travel, funny or memorable. 4. Smile and show interest when speaking. 5. Confidence and clarity are more important than perfect grammar. 6. Mention type of transport, reason, journey duration, and feelings. 7. Include past experiences if possible. E.g., I drove to the airport last weekend.